Alright, so check this out right over here. We're going to be doing a unboxing review and test on the Transformers 3-in-1 charging station that right over here. That's the official licensed Transformers brand that we're going to be doing a unboxing review and test on, in which the brand sent me out this product as a gift that we're going to be putting this test to. And in this unboxing review and test, we are going to open everything up, show you guys what you get inside, and from there we are going to put this product to test, and we are going to use it on my iPhone 17 and all my iPhones, and also the Apple Watch and my AirPods as well too. So without going further, let's unbox this and show you guys more in depth. Alright, so right over here, you can see this is the official licensed authentic Transformers brand right over here by Hasbro that you can see here, and you can see right over here. So that's something I wanted to show you guys, but now we're going to open this up and show you guys what you get inside. So without going further, let's open this up and show you guys more in depth. Okay, so we got the package unboxed, and you can see it comes with the charging station user manual guide. If you want to learn more information about it, right over here, you can see Optimus Prime as well too from Transformers that you can see right over here. Really cool cars that they have. Now let's open this up right over here. We are going to show you guys more in depth. All right, so we have the product assembled, and you can see here, this is the finished results that you can see. And let's say, for example, I have to charge my Apple Watch. This is a Apple Watch Series 6. So let's go place it right over here on this magnetic part right here. So just like that, you just put it in there like that, and you're going to see here it's going to give a green indicator letting you know that it needs to be charged. Same goes for my AirPods 4 as well too. So let's say, for example, you have to charge this as well too. You just place it just like that, and it's going to charge like that. And let's say, for example, this is my iPhone 15 Pro Max. So this also needs to be charged, and you can see it comes with the MagSafe right over here. So we are just going to place it just like that. Once you hear that click, you know it's charging. You can see the indicator. It's telling me it's at 45%. You can see that, you know, it needs charging. And I just love the fact that you could also, let's say, for example, turn off the lights. You have 3 different light settings as well too. So you can see setting number 1, and this is setting number 2, which is right over here. And then setting number 3 is right here. This is the brightest setting out of all. And I love the fact that you could also use this as a night light as well too. So let's say, for example, you could place this in your living room. 3 different adjustable light settings as well too, and you could put in your bedroom as well too. And you could use this, you know, while you're trying to sleep or study or relax. And I love the fact that this also comes with a QC 3.0 fast charging adapter, in which it delivers a 15-watt max power. So it comes with that provided as well too. This is the USB it comes with, and it comes with a brick that's attached to it as well too for the Type-C. So right over here, for example, I'm going to show you guys, it comes with this piece right over here. You can see this attaches to the outlet, and all you have to do is just plug it in just like that. And once you do that, it just plugs in like that. But other than that, I would definitely recommend this product because of the fact that it's a 3-in-1 charger. So you can use this to charge your Apple Watch, your iPhone, your AirPods, and it comes with a Type-C charging cable as well too, and a 15-watt adapter. So it comes with everything that you need. And other than that, I would definitely recommend this product. You could also use this as a night light as well too. Like I showed you guys before, 3 different light settings as well. So you could use this while you're studying or you're trying to sleep. So if you're looking for a, you know, 3-in-1 that you're trying to charge your Apple Watch, your iPhone, and your AirPods as well too, then this one right over here is by far one of the best ones to get, considering the fact that this is also the official licensed product by Transformers. So if you're looking for a high quality product that has 3-in-1, it charges your Apple Watch, your iPhone, and everything, then this right over here is by far one of the best products to get, and I would definitely recommend this product.